Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at what is the section below the power button or the side button on the iPhone 13 Pro or the Pro Max. So if you have the iPhone 13 Pro, and if you look on the right hand side, just near in the middle, below the power button, you will see there is a black hole right here, or some kind of like a buttons. And what this is, it is the 5G high bands wave, or the millimeter wave. It is also referred to as FR2, are found in a range of 24 GHz to 40 GHz. Now they deliver large quantities of spectrum and capacity over the shortest distances. And that's what it is. It is mainly for your 5G high band. Now this is only available in the US, so only US model has this. If you are overseas outside the US, you do not get this, and that is why for a lot of people, they will not see this at all. And for the people in the US where you have purchased inside the country, you will find there is a black section right here, similar to this button, but it is flat, somewhere in the center of your right hand side. It is the 5G high bands, and that's all. So if you are curious and you wanted to know what it is, now you know what it is. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.